Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. In this video, we'll do a full analysis on the Waxp, which has it's been one of the most bullish cryptos in the last I'm not sure, like in the last 24 hours, especially. Like, it's up 40%. I missed this move. I will tell you how you could have not missed it, as you can see right here. I was looking at that yellow area and I said, all right, I'll enter if that breaks. And then it broke yesterday, but I was like, I'm not sure. And then it started rallying. All right. So the big lesson there is that even if you trade for a very long time, sometimes it's still difficult to listen to your strategy. All right. Because this was to be expected with Waxp. I'll tell you why. Right now it's very bullish as well, because of what's going on right now, that they will be listed on perpetual contracts together with STPT. So that's happening later today. I'm not sure what that, well, usually what that means for the price. We can just take a look at orbs. There it happened too, and there it caused a big crash. So yes, that's also what I'm expecting with Waxp. It already was manipulated, so a crash was already to be expected at some point of time, but it will probably come pretty soon. For now, it's still super bullish. All right, so let's talk about it. First of all, if you want to know why it's manipulated, the volume is way too high and most of that is coming from Upbit. Usually, if that's the case, it's manipulated. Does that matter? No. Can still be bullish, can still be bearish. All right, just so you know. Now, why I already had it on my radar is for the following reason. And that is that you can see that the open interest already yesterday morning was way higher. Like it almost doubled in the morning. But before that, I mean, you can already see that the open interest right here, for example, on Saturday, which is when I already saw it, already increased by quite a bit. Like, it increased by, I think, like 30 or 40%, which usually, if the open interest increases by that much, that means that the crypto has a lot of momentum, and that was also visible in the price right here. So then there's a potential of a breakout. That happened. Now it's very bullish. And now the big question is well, can it even rally up higher? Last 4-hour candle broke above this level at 6.8 cents. So yes, I do expect it to rally higher. The next major resistance level is where it's at right now, between 7.5 and 7.9 cents up here with the 0.618 FIB. So there it is, and it is hard to say whether it's going to be able to break through. I would say, if I would have to put money on this, which I will not do, all right, so that maybe tells you a little bit about how sure I am of this, I would say that this is the last stop, all right, that it's not going to be able to break above this and rally up higher towards 8.8 and 9 cents, which is the next resistance level. But it depends on the technicals, all right, because what will happen from here, probably, is the following. Like right now, it will probably get up to those levels, right? It already has. It has already gone up to 7.5. So it will probably test a little bit higher. And then whether it can break through depends on how much resistance it finds, all right? Because it will find resistance there. If it's then able to hold 7 cents as a support after hitting that resistance, then that means it's still bullish. And then it becomes more likely that it will also break above 7.9 cents and rally up to that 8.7 and 9 cent area. So that's the main thing to watch. How will it react to the resistance? That's also right now, because it already hit resistance. If it finds resistance there and drops down below 7 cents and 6.8 cents, which is the main support level, it's probably over. All right. And that's also like that's also with the Binance futures coming up. Usually that's some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news effect that you'll get by that. So that's also in line with this. But right now, the main thing to watch is the technicals, all right? Because if you take a look at Waxp in this way, it's still super bullish. Like, the open interest and the volume are still going up. So I would say the most likely scenario is that it will continue rallying higher, at least towards 7.9 cents. And then, like I said, depending on that resistance, it will either rally up higher or it will fall. Because if from that resistance, like I said, it breaks down below 7 cents, that's major bearish confirmation. We already have bearish fundamental confirmation with the Binance futures launch, so then it will drop. So that's up to you to watch. I'll try to keep you updated. You can also join the free Telegram group if you want to ask me when certain price movements happen. You can always do that. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. I also have a paid group, my own premium trading group, in which I share all of my trades. But apart from that, you also gain access to a community full of traders and my trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. For now, it's my take on Waxp. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.